Hello guys, this is Uche's Kitchen and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make bread pie. This bread pie recipe is very easy to make and it also saves you the stress of having to make a dough for your meat pie. And trust me guys, it even tastes better than your regular meat pie. So if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. So before we proceed into our cooking, I would like to inform you guys that I've decided to classify my recipes into series. For instance, in a month I can decide to show you guys different ways to prepare yam, and my reason for this is because me on a normal day I'm tired of eating the regular bread and tea, jollof rice and stew, and all that. So I just decided to find out different ways we can prepare our regular Nigerian food. I hope you guys will like this series. For this month, we're going to be starting with bread. I'm going to be showing you different ways to prepare bread dishes, and it's not something entirely new. It's just for you to have a different style or a new way of eating what you have been eating on a regular day. So let's get into cooking. For the ingredients, you'll be needing vegetable oil, onions, carrots, curry and thyme, dry peppers, stock cubes, and a pinch of salt. You're needing eggs, minced chicken, sliced bread, and potatoes. You can also use butter for the bread, but it's optional. So we're going to start by boiling our potatoes for a few minutes. Potatoes take time to cook through, so you have to boil it till it's half done before cooking it with your minced meat and other ingredients for it to be well cooked. Adding a little water. You can decide to add in a pinch of salt if you like. Cover to cook for a few minutes. Now our potato is done. Now add in your oil. Add your chopped onions. Add your carrots. Stir to combine. This should cook for about a few minutes. Now add your parboiled potatoes. Stir properly to combine. Add in your minced chicken. Stir to combine. Add in your curry and thyme. Add your dry pepper and salt. I'm not adding my stock cubes yet because my minced meat is already seasoned, and I'm going to add a little chicken stock which is already well seasoned too. Now add in a little amount of chicken stock. you don't have chicken stock, you can just add in 1 stock cube or more to your desired taste. Stir to combine. Now I'm going to taste this to see if it needs more seasoning. So it's fine, there's no need for extra seasoning. Lastly, I'm going to add in corn slurry. I forgot to show you guys among the ingredients. It actually helps to moisten your bread pie filling, but it's optional. Just mix a tablespoon of corn flour and a very little amount of water and add it to your filling. So leave this to cook for a few minutes and it's ready. Now for my bread, I'm going to cut out the edges. It's important to cut out the edges so you can seal the bread properly after adding your filling. Now I'm going to flatten this up with a rolling pin. And for the bread edges, you don't need to discard them. You can turn them into breadcrumbs. Simply blend the bread and toast it in a dry fry pan and your breadcrumbs is ready. There are so many things you can use breadcrumbs to do. You can use it for meatballs, chicken nuggets and so many other recipes. I have some recipes where I used breadcrumbs. You can check them out. You can check out my spaghetti and meatball recipe, chicken nuggets and bread springrolls recipe. I'll place links in the description box below. Also, don't forget to check the description box for the quantity of ingredients I use for this recipe. Now add in your filling gently. Cover this up with another piece of flattened bread. Use water to touch the edges. This will help to seal the bread. Now use a fork to seal the edges. You have to be careful so you won't tear your bread. So this is what your bread pie should look like. Now I'm going to take one of these and dip it into my eggs. You can use a pastry brush to do this. I couldn't find mine. The eggs will help you know if your bread pie is done, and it also makes your bread pie to taste better. Just ensure you smear the bread pie with egg properly. Now place your bread pie on an iron mesh. I'm just going to do the others like that. So just ensure you smear your bread pie properly with eggs. Now I'm going to place this in a preheated oven, and I'm going to bake this till it's brown. That's why the egg is important. It helps you to know when it's done. So our bread pie is ready. This is what your bread pie should look like. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching.